Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to do unboxing of Nest Mini second version. So we will not delay and let's start it. So that's the first quick impression I would like to show you guys. That's the second generation. It's just here and nothing special. Okay. Here is something you would like to see. So here is the grand opening of the Google Mini. Da 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 da. I think I should play music. So that's look a little bit big. hmm Okay, everything great. Okay, let's see what I have in the box. Nothing else. Let's get started paperwork, but I think I don't need it. Privacy, blah blah. What more? Oh, that's really look nice. Okay, let me quick look on length. The wire look premium and the first impression of hardware is looks like strong one wire. Oh man. So that's all we have in the package now. Let's configure it. Okay, now let's do a sound testing with Nest Mini 2. So let's try it. Hey Google, play Sare Karo Dab on Wink. That's the
Okay,
full volume.
Serkaro Dab by Muffad, Ruftar, Sonu Kakar. Here it is on Wink Music.
That's the minimum volume.
मोड़ मार सर बीच में, एक हाथ पीछे कर आसमान खींच ले, जोर पे तू आ अप डैब दे दबा दब, कैसे मूव करती कमर जरा टीच में, स्टाइल अंग्रेजों का बनाया हमने देसी, हीट इतनी बीट में के ऑन करो वैसी, बात मुंह फाड़ के बता रहा हूँ, स्टेप भिजवा रहा हूँ, ढूंढ के दिखा दियो तू यारी अपने जैसी, ऐसी तैसी में गए तो उनमें ना ये क्लास है, आज की तैयारी थी गवा ये इतिहास है, 300 का नकली जूता लेके मारा स्टाइल मैंने आज, इजी असली 3 धारी एडिडास है, तो माँ से जाके पूछ लो खिलाया क्या था शेर को, ये लेड बैक रहता तेज रखे घेर को, आफतों को चीर के मैं आया इस बार, सजनिया खुश आए सैया रफ्तार।
So that's the sound test. I hope you guys like it. If you think my video worth, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.